Hey guys, welcome back. Today's tutorial was highly requested by you guys. You wanted to see a little bit of an updo, and I had been rocking this one lately and you guys wanted to see how I created it. So I have partnered today with Numi to create this look for you. I hope you enjoy it. It's super easy to do and I feel like the outcome looks like you spent a lot more time than you actually did on it. So if you want to learn how I did this updo, then just keep on watching. Also, I do want to mention with the discount code ELL, you guys can receive 20% off the entire Numi website. I'll link everything down below, so make sure to check it out. So the curling wand I'm using today is the Technique Mint curling wand. Super cute, and again, I just love this color. I've used this already a couple of times. Extremely easy to use. It heats up very quickly, so you don't have to wait around for that. Its high quality components actually make it really safe to use on color treated and dry hair, and since it's a pure tourmaline ceramic barrel, it's healthier for hair than normal traditional wands. So my hair today is just boring second day hair, and I want to add a little bit of life, and you guys have been asking me non-stop on how I've been doing my hair when I put it up, and it's all curly and effortless, so that's what I'm going to show you today. I'm going to take this hair elastic and just section my hair off in half, so just above my ears. So I'm just taking the Technique curling wand, which actually does come with a heat resistant glove, so if you're a little nervous putting your hands a little too close to the barrel, just pop this on and you don't have to worry about it. I feel pretty confident, I'm going to say that and jinx myself, but I feel pretty confident without using it, so I'm just going to go ahead and start curling my hair. So I'm actually going to do curls away from my face, so taking a piece of hair and wrapping it around the barrel, leaving the very ends of my hair out, and there you go. This honestly makes curling your hair so easy because it's so fast to do. I also find whenever I use this curling wand, my hair would naturally have a little bit of frizz in it, and this just eliminates it completely. My curls look really smooth and shiny. Like you can see with these curls, they just have like a little bit of extra shine to them. So for this hairstyle, I'm making sure that I'm not going to take two large pieces of hair. I'm going to make sure they're a little bit thinner, like around an inch thick piece, just because I want the curl to be a little bit tighter so that it just looks fuller when we put it up. So as you can see, that was super quick and easy, and all of the curls are nice and bouncy. I'm not going to run my fingers through it or brush them yet, just because I want the heat to last a little bit longer in the curls so it's extra bouncy. So I'm just going to do what I did on this side over on this side. Okay, the bottom layer is finished. My hair is nice and curly and definitely has nice bounce and shine. What I love about this, it actually keeps the moisture in your hair, which sounds weird, but I find whenever you're using heat styling products, sometimes that can draw out moisture in your hair and it can make your hair look drier. But with using this guy, your hair still looks healthy and shiny and has a lot of bounce to it. Okay, taking out the top layer, I'm just going to part it to where I want it, which is just a little bit off the center here. And I'm going to split it in two. Now for this layer, I'm going to do the exact same thing with taking smaller pieces of hair, but I'm making sure I'm going right close to my scalp so that there's added volume, and then wrapping all the way down, leaving it on for just a couple of seconds, and then undoing it. So you're going to see there's a lot more bounce to this curl just because we're starting it a lot closer to our scalp. Now it's totally up to you. You can do the curls different directions if you want. I just find with the hairstyle that I'm going to do, I just prefer all of the curls going away from my face. So on either side of my head, these curls going away on this side and then vice versa on this side. I just like it that way for the hairstyle that I'm going to do, and I also feel like it looks better and better with each day once the curls start to loosen up. That's just personal preference, but feel free to curl your hair whichever direction. So already you can see the amounts of volume in my hair. It is crazy. I love it. It's so fun. So we're going to do the same thing on this side, making sure the curl is starting closer to our head. Okay, now that my hair is all curled, how fun does it look? It is so voluminous. I'm just gonna lightly comb through it with my fingers and it's gonna become even more voluminous. Like, it is crazy. Oh my goodness, I love it. It's so much fun. So you can totally leave it like this. Trust me, with every day, the curls just become even better. I did my hair like this like 2 weeks ago, and I feel like I liked the hair even more with every day that I wore it. Even when I put my hair up one day, the next day I put it down and I still felt like the curl was so good. So keep that in mind. We are gonna do an updo, so we're not leaving it down today, but all you're gonna take is a hair elastic. I'm just using these clear scrunchy ones. And this hairstyle is super easy. Like, the messier, the better with it. So I'm just gonna take all of my hair, and taking my hair elastic, I'm gonna tie my hair as if I'm doing a ponytail. But on the last one, I'm going to stop it halfway through, so it's a little bit of like a half bun right here, and just pull it tight underneath. And then taking some bobby pins, I'm just gonna pin the top of that bun to the top of my head just to make sure it stays in place and it's not gonna move. So you can see that my bun is nice and full and it has lots of volume in it, and it's all thanks to the curls that we did beforehand. If you did this kind of bun without curls and the hairstyle that I had before curling my hair, it would just look a little bit limp and not really put together. I'm actually gonna go through, especially at the top part here, and lightly pull out some pieces so that there's some volume in the front, and I'm just gonna go ahead and take out all of my baby hairs, even a couple underneath as well. And then taking some bobby pins, I'm gonna pin back some pieces I don't want coming out. So I'm just twisting it and then pinning that in place. And that will just ensure that it doesn't come out throughout the day. You can kind of play around with those pieces, making sure you like the placement of them. To finish the look off, I'm just gonna go over these baby hairs in the front with the curling wand, just to make sure they have a nice curl throughout them and all of them are nicely smoothed and they're not frizzy anymore. And this will just complete the look and give it a finishing touch. So that is it for this hairstyle. I hope you enjoyed it. I had so much fun filming this. Don't forget to check the description box below for the product link and also my code to receive 20% off the entire NewMe site. I hope you all have a wonderful day and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.